Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is elevation. Elevation, confirmation that you're going towards the stratosphere, past the atmosphere, into the solar system of blessings. I need you to be very optimistic because anything and everything for your betterment is possible. We don't want to limit our blessings. We don't want to limit our impact on the world. I want you to be your biggest self, your highest self, your strongest self, and make a difference in the world because you alone are turning so many things that are deemed impossible to be possible. The world needs you and I need you. I free myself from fear because fear fears you. Guarantee it'll turn around and run the other way. And then you are on your path to greatness. It's just trying to stop you. Don't let anything stop you because you're truly unstoppable and an all-powerful being. And I trust the universe. I direct my thoughts to the beauty inside and around me. I use my spiritual strengths and knowledge to create light. And I rise above all doubt because your strengths are unmatched. You know that you are truth. And there's nothing that can, if any challenge came up, you can prove anything and everything wrong. You're in the right place at the right time. I want you to skyrocket and stay in an elevated place. Keep moving forward, baby. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.